Are you looking for an efficient open source solution to Notion in 2026? Then look no further. Here is where AppFlowy takes AFFiNE, two top-notch privacy workspaces which allow you to escape vendor lock-in. First, let's take a look at AppFlowy. AppFlowy is a productivity workspace that leverages both Rust and Flutter to deliver extremely fast performance in macOS, Windows, Linux, iOS, and Android devices. It excels in tasks such as complex structured note taking, database management, and offline access. What sets it apart in 2026 is its high degree of AI functionality, allowing not only text generation but also data insights based on both local models like Llama 3 or any cloud provider. What is more, the whole workspace resides on your own computer without the need for any external storage. The main product is open source and self hosted, while the app Flowy Cloud Pro plan starts from around $8 to $10 per month per user. Then we have AFFiNE. AFFiNE combines documents, whiteboards, and databases into an innovative canvas that enables creativity. AFFiNE is entirely open source and built upon the concept of converting any given page into a document and then using the same document as a spatial whiteboard in one tap. The software can be downloaded on desktop, browser based platforms, and even on mobile devices. Although there is still work ongoing to launch the mobile version, AFFiNE is characterized by real time collaboration, AI drafters, self hosting features, and more. While the basic version is free to use, AFFiNE Pro starts around at $6.75 per month, providing bigger file upload sizes and enhanced AI tools. So, which one should you pick? The choice really depends on how you're going to use the software in 2026. AppFlow is your answer if you're looking for a more offline first and highly structured experience that is like a faster and offline Notion for all devices and does not depend on any cloud service. AFFiNE is the better pick if you want a unique whiteboard feature that will allow you to write freely and explore ideas within an infinite canvas, not having to think about blocks. Either way, they are more private and sovereign than Notion. You can simply download both of them for free. So, which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section.